Imagine a society. What type of society do you think fosters greater creativity? Today, we delve into Dr. Hwa A. Lim's insightful analysis on how different societal structures, collectivistic versus individualistic, affect creativity. In a collectivistic society, the emphasis is on blending in. Individuals are molded to fit the group, often focusing on correcting attributes that don't align with societal norms. This process can significantly dampen self-esteem and subdue creativity, as the individual feels pressured to conform rather than innovate. Contrast this with an individualistic society, where the spotlight shines on the individual's unique traits and spontaneous nature. Here, socialization emphasizes positively valued attributes, drawing attention to what makes each person stand out. This environment nurtures self-esteem and encourages creative expression. Dr. Lim also explores the concept of being task-involved versus ego-involved. In task-involved scenarios, the individual acts as the origin of action, experiencing a psychological freedom that is fertile ground for creativity. On the flip side, in ego-involved situations, individuals feel like pawns, controlled by external forces such as rewards, punishments, and social pressures, which can stifle creative impulses. Now consider the concept of face, the social reputation one earns through success or ostentation. In societies where face is important, individuals may become ego-involved hostages, performing actions more to protect their social image than to express their true selves or innovative ideas. Education, according to Dr. Lim, plays a crucial role both for personal development and social mobility. He critiques traditional education systems that prioritize fixed knowledge and place undue emphasis on authority, whether of the teacher or of the knowledge itself. This often leads to a loss of confidence and a fear of inquiry. In contrast, Dr. Lim praises the benefits of facilitative instruction and a less regimented educational approach. Such environments maintain order and respect for knowledge, but encourage questioning and discussion to foster understanding and creativity. Dr. Lim also addresses the pitfalls of being overly grade-conscious. In many societies, the obsession with grades leads students to rely on model answers and self-help books, which prepares them to pass exams, but not necessarily to think creatively or innovatively. He points out the paradox seen in places like Singapore, which, despite high scores in subjects like mathematics, has not been known for groundbreaking inventions. This realization has led to significant educational reforms aimed at fostering creativity rather than merely teaching to the test. Reflect on your own educational experiences. How have they shaped your creative abilities? How can you foster an environment, whether at school, work, or home, that truly nurtures creativity and innovation? Think about it. The future could be in your hands.